Hello students, in our previous class we discussed about how to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Okay, we have given two formulas to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Okay, in today's class we are going to discuss uh, how can you say that the given 4 points are coplanar. Okay, so today we are going to discuss how the given 4 points are coplanar. Okay, so I will explain through one example. So write down the problem. So the continuation problem, that is fifth one. Show that the 4 points four points 0 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, 4 comma 5 comma 1, 3 comma 9 comma 4, and minus 4 comma 4 comma 4 are coplanar. Are coplanar. So what is the meaning of coplanar? It means we have to say that these 4 points lie on the same plane. Okay, so I am drawing the plane in this way. For understanding, I am drawing a plane in this way. This is the plane surface. Okay, so if you want to say these particular 4 points are coplanar, what we have to say is all these 4 points lie in the same plane. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It means all those 4 points. So I am giving the names for those points as A, B, C, and D. It means, so we have to say that all those 4 points should lie in the same plane. Then we say that those four points are coplanar. So how can we prove that all the 4 points lie on the same plane? Means now I am going to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. It means we have to select any 3 points from the given 4 points. So that first we have to find the equation of the plane passing through those 3 points. After getting plane equation, in that plane equation, we have to substitute the remaining point, that is the fourth point. So after substituting the fourth point in the given in the plane equation, if it satisfies the plane equation, then we say that those 4 points are coplanar. So in this way, we are going to prove the problem. Okay. So coming to the solution once again. So first we have to prove first we have to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Okay. So let the given points are, let the given points are A is equal to 0 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, B 4 comma 5 comma 1, C 3 comma 9 comma 4, D minus 4 comma 4 comma 4. Okay, so I am naming the points as A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now we have to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Okay, so I am selecting the points A, B, and C. Okay, so I am writing that. Now we have to find the equation of the plane passing through A comma B comma C. So A is 0 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, B is 4 comma 5 comma 1, C is 3 comma 9 comma 4. Okay, so we have also named A as x1, y1, z1 and B as x2, y2, z2 and C as x3, y3, z3. Yes, we have already discussed that how to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. We are having two methods. Okay, I am going for the first method. Okay, so that I am writing the equation of the plane, passing through 3 points is, so I am writing the determinant formula. Okay, so and that formula is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, that is first row, and in the second row x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and third row x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1 and z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. So this is the formula to find the equation of the plane through 3 points. So now we have to substitute the values in the formula. So determinant of x minus x1, x1 is 0, so that we have to write x minus 0 comma y minus y1, y minus y1 is minus 1, so that we get y plus 1, and if you substitute z1 we get z plus 1. Okay, so coming to the second row, x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0 gives 4. Next y2 minus y1, so 5 minus of minus means 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Next 1 minus of minus means 1 plus 1 gives 2. Okay, so coming to the third row, x3 minus x1, that is 3 minus 0 gives 3, and 9 minus of minus, it means 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10, and 4 minus of minus, which is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5, is equal to 0. So now we have to expand the determinant along first row. Okay, so I am expanding the det along first row. This is first row. Okay, so that I am expanding. So the first element is x minus 0 is nothing but x into, so we have to close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of x. Okay, if we close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of x, then there are 4 elements remaining in the determinant, and those 4 elements are 6, 2, 10 and 5. We have to write those 4 elements in the determinant. Okay, so coming to the second element, that is y plus 1, we have to write minus of y plus 1. So every time we have to put minus for the second element. Okay, into, once again we have to close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of y plus 1. Okay, if we close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of y plus 1, once again there are 4 elements remaining in the determinant, and those 4 elements are 4, 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so coming to the last element, that is z plus 1. So z plus 1 into, once again we have to close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of z plus 1. If we close that particular row and that particular column, once again there are 4 elements remaining in the determinant, and those 4 elements are 4, 6, 3 and 10. Okay, is equal to 0. This is the expansion of 3 by 3 determinant. In this way we can expand 3 by 3 determinant. Okay, so after that we have to simplify. So this x into, how can we expand 2 by 2 determinant means AD minus BC. AD is nothing but 6 5s are 30 minus BC means 10 2s are 20. Okay, in this way we have to expand 2 by 2 det. So minus of y plus 1 into, once again AD is 4 5s are 20 minus BC is 3 2s are 6. Next plus z plus 1 into AD. AD means 4 10s are 40 minus 3 6s are 18 is equal to 0. So x into 30 minus 20 means 10 So x into 10 minus of y plus 1 into 20 minus 6 means 14 plus z plus 1 into 40 minus 18 is 22. Okay, is equal to 0. So x into 10 is nothing but 10x minus 14 into y minus 14y minus 14 into 1 minus 14 plus 22 into z 22z plus 22 into 1 22 is equal to 0. So if you write this particular equation in this way, that is, first we have to write the x term, after that we have to write the y term, then z term, and finally constants. So minus 14 plus 22, which is equal to plus 8, is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation of the plane passing through the 3 points. So we have find the equation of the plane passing through the 3 points. This is the plane equation. Now if we want to say the given 4 points are coplanar, after finding the plane equation, so we have to substitute the fourth point. So whatever the fourth point we are having in the given problem, we have to substitute that particular fourth point in this plane equation. If that point satisfies this particular plane equation, then we can say that all the 4 points are coplanar. So coplanar means all the points lies on the same plane. Okay, so that is the meaning of coplanar. So right now I am going to substitute the fourth point in this plane equation. So treat this as equation 1. So now substitute minus 4 comma 4 comma 4, that is the fourth point we are having in equation 1. Okay, so then, so what happens we will see. So 10 into minus 4 minus 14 into 4 plus 22 into 4 plus 8. Okay, this is equal to, so 10 into minus 4 means minus 40, 14 into 4, 14 4s are 56, so minus 56, 22 4s 88 plus 8. Okay, so this is equal to minus 96 plus 96, so which is equal to 0. It means the fourth point satisfies the corresponding plane equation. So whatever the plane equation we obtained by using the 3 points, in that particular plane equation satisfied by the fourth point. Okay, it means all the points lie in the same plane, so that we can write the given 4 points are coplanar. So therefore the given points, we can conclude that the given points are coplanar. Okay, so one more problem. I am giving you one more problem. Show that the 4 points (0, 4, 3) minus 1, minus 5, minus 3 minus 2, minus 2, 1 and 1, 1, minus 1 are coplanar. Okay, once again, coplanar is nothing but we have to prove that all the points lie on the same plane. Okay, so if you want to say all the 4 points lie on the same plane, so what we have to do is, first we have to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. After that, we have to substitute the fourth point in the plane equation. Then it should satisfy the plane equation. So whenever that fourth point satisfies the plane equation, then we say that the given 4 points are coplanar. So in this way, we have to find the coplanar. Okay, right. Coming to the solution. Once again, let the given points are, so A 0, 4, 3, B minus 1, minus 5, minus 3, C minus 2 comma minus 2 comma 1, and D 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so these are the given 4 points. Now first we have to find the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. So that is what I am writing. Now we have to find, the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. I am choosing the points A comma B comma C. Okay, so after that we have to write the formula. We have the equation of the plane passing through 3 points is, so once again we have to write the determinant formula, that is modulus of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. So we have to substitute the points. Okay, so I am naming the points A. This is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, and x3, y3, z3. Okay, right. So now we have to substitute the points so that we get x minus x1. x1 is 0, so that we get x. Y minus y1, so means y minus 4. Z minus z1, so z minus 3. Since z1 is 3, so that we get z minus 3. So after that, x2 minus x1, it means minus 1 minus 0 gives minus 1. So minus 5 minus 4 gives minus 9. Next minus 3 gives minus 6. Next x3 minus x1, minus 2 minus 0 gives minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 gives minus 6. 1 minus 3 gives minus 2. So this is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to expand the 3 by 3 determinant. So once again I am going to expand the determinant along first row. Okay. So I am underlining the first row, so that along that row we have to expand the determinant, so that the first element is x into. So we have to close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of x, so that we get minus 9, minus 6, minus 6, and minus 2. Okay. So coming to the second element, we have to write minus sign for the second element. So second element into, we have to close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of y minus 4. So once again we are having 4 elements: minus 1, minus 6, minus 2, and minus 2. So coming to the third element, that is z minus 3 into, so we have to close the corresponding row and the corresponding column of z minus 3, so that we get minus 1, minus 9, minus 2, and minus 6, which is equal to 0. Okay. So on simplification, x into, so we have to expand the 2 by 2 det. So AD is minus 9 into minus 2 means 18, minus BC. If you multiply BC, we get 36. We have to write minus that. It means we get minus 36. Okay. AD is 18, minus BC is minus 36. Right. So coming to the next element, that is y minus of y minus 4 into, once again AD is minus 1 into minus 2 means 2, minus BC means minus 12. Next plus third element, z minus 3 into, so once again AD means minus 1 into minus 6 means 6, minus BC means minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay. So x into, so 18 minus 36 means minus 18, minus of y minus 4 into, so 2 minus 12 means minus 10, plus z minus 3 into 6 minus 18 means minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to simplify this equation. So minus 18 into x gives minus 18x. Next, minus 10 into minus means plus 10 into, so minus 40. Next, minus 12 into z minus 12z. Minus into minus plus 12 3s are 36 is equal to 0. So first we have to write the x term, that is minus 18x plus 10y minus 12z. So minus 40 plus 36 means minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to cancel minus 2 from this equation, so that we get minus 2 into 9x minus 5y plus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0. So that we get 9x minus 5y plus 6z plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. So in this equation, we have to substitute the fourth point. So on the fourth point is, so now we have to substitute 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 in equation 1. Okay, so we get, so 9 into 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 6 into minus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 9 minus 5 minus 6 plus 2. So which is equal to 11 minus 11, which is equal to 0. It means the fourth point satisfies the corresponding plane equation. Therefore, we say that the given 4 points are coplanar. So therefore, the given points are coplanar. The given points are coplanar. Okay, so I am giving you 2 problems for homework. So write down the points. So 7 and 8 problems, and the points are minus 6 comma 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 2 comma 4, 5 comma 7 comma 3, and minus 13 comma 17 comma minus 1. So this is first one, and the second one 2 comma minus 1, 7 comma 0 comma 6, 3 comma 4 comma 2, and 0 comma 4 comma minus 3. One more, that is 0 comma minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma 1 comma minus 1, and 1 comma 1 comma 1, and 3 comma 3 comma 0. Okay, so try these 3 problems for coplanar. Thank you.